Welcome back, Fude friends. This video is all about the smaller brushes from the Grand Series. The Grand Series is one of the most premium collections, if not the most premium, from Bisyodo. It uses ebony wood handles, 24 gold-plated brass ferrules, and 100% gray squirrel bristles for all of the brushes. In my humble opinion, the squirrel bristles from the Grand Series are some of the softest squirrel bristles currently available, but I would love to hear your thoughts on that if you have purchased some recently. The H01 is a must-try highlighter brush. It's on the smaller side, with the bristles measuring 23 millimeters long. It has an almond-shaped taper, which makes it really nice for the under-eye area. The ferrule is pinched but not flat, fairly oval-shaped, and quite thick for a brush of this size. This gives the brush intention and control despite its small size. I will call it a small but capable detail face brush. The brush is marketed as a highlighter brush, and it is great for that, but I adore it for setting under the eye area. If you like large eye brushes, it can also be used as a one-and-done eye brush. On to the eye brushes. The B01 is my favorite of all the Grand Series eye brushes. It is the perfect size blending brush, densely packed and strong for blending eyeshadow seamlessly. This brush is so good, I honestly think multiple of it could come in handy to always have one available. This brush blends eyeshadow from the lid to the crease and above the crease area so seamlessly in a way that I feel noticeably enhances your makeup application. If you're looking to pick one up, I recommend this one. It is my top recommendation from this video. In close second is the GES02. Compared to the prior blending brush, this one is more of a pencil brush to blending brush hybrid. It is more of a compact brush with shorter bristles that don't blossom out. I like to think of it as a soft precision brush, great for applying and blending colors on the inner eye area, along the crease or outer V area in a soft and diffused way, and for packing on color in a gradual way. Bisyodo notes that this shape is convenient for coloring from the edge of the eyes to the middle. Now for the shader brushes. The ES01 is the larger one and my favorite of the two. The bristles are 17 millimeters long, and it is a classic shader brush with a pinch ferrule and paddle shape. It is very densely packed, which helps the brush keep its shape. Just a classic, beautifully made brush for all over the lid eyeshadow placement. Its smaller twin is the ES03. This one is much smaller. The hair length is 11 millimeters long. I personally feel that Bisyodo could create an in-between size that would be the most versatile. The ES03 is nice for detail work, such as reaching the inner corner or lash line, and also for placing color on smaller areas of the eye. But I personally find myself reaching for this one less than the pencil-shaped brush, the ES02, that I mentioned in this series. If you have any of these brushes from the Grand Series, I would love to hear your thoughts and how you use them. Also, if you are interested in the Grand Series face brushes, I have a dedicated video which I will link below. I hope you are all doing well and enjoying using your precious Fude. Tune in next week to continue exploring the beautiful world of Bisyodo brushes.